I'm at the All-American Koi Show out in Las Vegas. I'm crazy excited. I'm gonna learn a ton of stuff. We're gonna see some amazing fish. I wanna show you guys $1 million fish, a $700,000 fish, $10,000 fish. I really, really wanna show you the fish that I got Greg as a gift at one point.
We are at the All-American Koi Show. This is Brian's first time and Ed's first time being here. What are you guys thinking?
Oh my God, unbelievable.
Yeah.
I mean, the people, the energy, the fish, everything.
The fish are insane, right?
Insane.
And the koi shows that we see back home are nice, but like this is the biggest in the country.
Absolutely. This outside of Japan, which these fish are from Japan. Everybody should go to Japan once in their life. So it's so hard to get to. You can come to the All-American Koi Show every spring out here in Vegas. We're having a fun time. Let's give a tour and show people what the All-American Koi Show is all about. Let's get 3 koi over here. Ooh, I like that jig right there. All right, let's get 6 fish. See, that's how it happens, right? We want 3, and then we're like, we like 4, so let's just go for the 6, and maybe more. Can we get some pulled up? Orange and more.
I'm still learning.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's get that one. Beautiful fish. I like the markings. All right. Good. Good. All right, you, sir. You pick out my next fish. You see what I got? You see what I got here?
Okay,
I want a selection. I want something
variety.
different. I want a different fish selected from the master himself.
You don't have.
He's not Eli. Eli's still in training.
You don't have.
I'm the tech guy.
Sankey.
There you go.
This is nice sankey right
Beautiful
here.
sankey. Okay. Orange,
Good
white.
pattern.
Okay.
Nice
And there,
white.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 6 for $200.
Awesome.
Boom.
Let me back it
What
up.
are you laughing at?
I got 3 too. So
Yes. It's fun, isn't it?
yeah, nice.
Do you love your job too?
Yeah.
All right, there you go.
Right.
They're going right. They're going right in our booth. So come visit your babies.
Thank you.
There they are. It's so fun. So next stop, the Aquascape Fountain Bowl. Next stop after that, Aqualand and our koi ponds there. Hey, we got some fish.
Wow.
Our first purchase is here.
Woo! Great. You're gonna put that in your carry-on?
I'm gonna put it right here. Well, so we'll let it acclimate for 15 or 20 minutes, let a little bit of the water in, and then boom. AJ, why is this your favorite fish on the show?
It checks all the boxes.
Okay.
It's,
Size.
It's got the body, very symmetrical. The skin quality is excellent. The sumi, the black, is in all the right places. Right on the shoulder, right where there's no benny. So it's a special fish. And most importantly, for winning a koi show, it's about the condition, the day of the show. And it's of the contenders, I think it's in the best condition of all of them. And
Ready. He's ready.
What is
it's ready for the show.
What is a fish like that worth?
It's a house. That's what Tim said. It's
A house.
Yeah, it's a house. There's car price fish, and there's house price fish.
That's a house price
That's
fish.
a house price fish right there.
We don't even have a car price fish.
Yeah.
We have a used car
Yeah,
price
you got
fish.
a used car price. Yeah. A 1998. 100,000 miles on it.
Greg, this is the first time we've seen these since 2022. What did we just do?
Well, we just bought this fish, and we're gonna leave it out here, which is called
Azukari.
Azukari for 2 years, and see how much bigger that fish is.
Azukari fish, I didn't know what to buy you. And you buy me stuff all the time. And so the guy that can really get anything he wants, I figured koi fish would be the perfect gift.
Yes.
And so this was an azukari. What's your explanation of an azukari?
Well, the azukari idea and the concept
Yep.
behind that is you buy a fish and you leave it in Japan to grow out, one, or as this one, a 2-year-old going into his 4th season. So we left him over there for 2 years, flew him over here for the All-American Koi Show. We'll see how it does. And then, of course, the next stop is Aqualand, which they'll be on display as an ambassador species, you know, for the rest of their kind.
It was a 2-year-old fish. Now it's a 4-year-old fish. We left it there for 2 years with hoping that the markings and everything would
Yes.
go out. And from what I've been told, it's now a $10,000.
Isn't that
fish,
cool?
Right?
So $2,500 back when we bought it, when it was a third of this size, and now that it's more than doubled in size, it's also tripled in price and value.
And so what's crazy is as much money as you think that would be a $10,000 fish, it's really a used car in this
Yeah,
show right here.
in this show,
you
yes.
guys want to see some Lamborghini type fish, or even fish that are worth more than most people's homes? Come on. So Greg, we've been saying this over and over and over again. We've said this all of our life, and like these are living art pieces,
Yeah.
right? Living jewels of the
Living
pond.
jewels.
And I don't think either of these fish won awards, but to me,
Really?
like, I love these fish.
Yeah.
So really, it's the beauty's in the eye of the beholder, and these are some gorgeous, gorgeous fish.
It's kind of like a purebred dog versus a mutt.
But these aren't mutts.
No,
these
they're not mutts. But you know, a true hobbyist will know the difference. But for the rest of us, we just want to look at beautiful animals.
Yeah, man, it's so incredible. So from my understanding, Greg, this is the grand champion. That's
Awesome.
a giant,
Right here.
giant show-off.
Showa, yep.
102 centimeters. 102.
It's a torpedo.
Yeah, it's enormous.
Look at that fish.
And so when we compare them to the cost of things, this is more than most people's homes. It's a beautiful, beautiful fish.
It's artwork. It's Nishiki Koi, living art, living
Yeah.
jewels.
This is second place. This is a giant, giant Sanki. Love this fish. It's so gorgeous. This would be closer, Greg, to the cost of a Lamborghini,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So a very fast car or a very giant, cool fish.
I like this fish. I think this fish is so awesome.
Right, and he's got the big hump
Yeah.
on this one.
Third place winner is actually a homeowner from Chicago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The North Shore. I know her. She's from Arlington Heights.
I don't know.
I met her
Just
last. I met her last year.
Yeah, she was here last year. Yeah. So we lost Greg, and I knew I would. There was no way, with all the confusion around here, I was ever going to keep him focused on checking out all these fish for me. But this is the third place winner, and actually from a homeowner in Chicago. Hope to meet her. Hope to introduce you guys to her, but shipped her fish all the way from Chicago, and what a trip and what a journey for this fish, but it was worth it because she got third place. Unbelievable. Guys, let's just go check out some more fish. We're going to take you around, show you all the different fish. Tell me what's your different variety, and from here I want you guys to meet somebody super special to me, somebody that's been training me in a lot about koi keeping and the hobby of koi.
I'm taking my credit card away. I can't go around
That's the
anymore.
pod, Mom.
All right, I told you I'd introduce you to one of my good friends, Sean Rosen with Koi Market here. Sean, I met you, gosh, 4 years ago now.
And
it
I
feels
can't
like.
believe how quickly
Right?
time has gone.
It's
at least
really
4
flying
years.
by.
Yeah.
I was excited to come to the Koi Show, and then when I heard you were going to come to the Koi Show, I was like, oh my God, I'm going to learn so much from you and like
Oh,
all the
gosh.
other people here and stuff. It's like just an amazing, amazing show to see the quality of the fish here all in one spot.
This was literally. I mean, I've been to a lot of shows over
Uh-huh.
the years. There's never been a show like this ever.
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 I mean, over 150 entrants. I mean, I think last year they did 75, and at 75 they were the biggest show last year, and they doubled that this year. And it's not just like that. There's a lot of fish. Like you literally have the top. And it actually had four. I think they mentioned 4 different countries actually.
Oh,
came
yeah.
in. They had fish from 4 different countries here this year, and they were thinking that was not going to happen for a couple of years. And now this year they had 4 different countries in there, and we're talking, I gotta be honest, like there's probably anywhere from $6 to $8 million
And
worth of
that
fish in
is
this show.
crazy.
It's ridiculous.
I mean, there's a single fish here that I know the guy doesn't want to sell for under $1 million. That was the grand champion fish.
Yeah.
So there's some just incredible fish here. But next time I see you, we're gonna come all the way down to Long Island. I wanted to show them your store. I want to
That'll
show
be
them
awesome.
maybe some realistic fish, right? So if you don't have $1 million, you can spend this kind of money on it. And I can't wait to see you back in Long
I'm looking
Island.
forward to it.
All right, bud.
All right.
Thanks.